morning, everyone. My name is Tarun. I'm your anchor for the West Zone. We're here at the Victoria Memorial, and the morning's beautiful. It's been raining and drizzling since morning.
Good morning, friends. We are in the city of Ahmedabad, the city of Gandhi.
Welcome to LMS. I'm your host Sharvan Kumar, Copcom South, and next 6 days of your life is going to be a very exciting journey.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sunny Pandey representing the North Corporate Communications Department. I'll be representing the South LMS team.
And here with us, we have a contestants from the West Zone of Drive India Enterprise Solutions Limited. Let me introduce you to the contestants here. We have Jayant Bhoot. Hi, Jayant.
Hi.
Right, say hi to the camera. We have Himangi Trivedi and Latesh Waghela.
This is SK Das from Jharkhand. He's from Operations Team, first member. Behind him is Debajyoti. The third member of this team is Somnath, who is from West Bengal.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants from North. So these three are our first leg of contestants from North team.
Hi, very good morning. I've come from Delhi. My name is Vinita Tiwari. I'm here for LMS.
I am Anupam Krishna. I am from Lucknow. I am from finance team.
Hi, good morning. Myself Rajvinder Singh Mehta. I'm in the North Operations team, handling J&K operations.
So now, today, 10th of September, 9 a.m., I present to you the LMS South team.
Tyagarajan from Chennai operation team.
Hi everybody, this is Ramo Sundaram from Chennai Finance.
Hi friends, I am Ramesh. I am from South HR. This LMS give me an opportunity to travel around most probably this Lucknow, North India places which I not traveled yet. This is a challenging task which is given by management. And also I think we will be the maximum winner because we are start from Lucknow. Luck is there. So we will be the winner. I think from Lucknow we are starting, so we will be the winner. Thanks.
Hi.
Hi, Anand.
Hi.
Welcome to LMS.
Yes,
Thanks. The hunt for Drive India's Logistics Marathi begins now.
Hi, I'm Mangesh. I'm coming here from Mumbai, Diesel Corporate.
Myself, Bhupendra Singh.
Hi, I'm Pooja Rettiganti. I'm a part of the HR corporate.
This is a race where you will travel the length and breadth of country in the next 6 days.
Okay, the rules are simple. Rule number 1, each task carry 100 points, and to complete the task you have 45 minutes. Rule number 2, failing to do the task, you have a time extension of 15 minutes at a penalty of 30 points. And maximum time extension of only 30 minutes will be allowed per task.
You all are 3 members right now. There is a leg 2 wherein 2 new members will come in. The first 3 members now have to choose a leader among themselves. When the second leg joins in, there would be another voting of the leader.
You will be given 1,000 rupees as your starting kitty. Now that 1,000 rupees per day, you have to manage your local transportation, your transportation interstate if need be, your food expenses.
Journeys are pretty tough. You need to travel only in trucks during intercities.
First of all, we would be giving you all a starter kit which has some of the essential requirements during the route. Like the road maps, there is a first aid kit which will be helpful to you all. Right now, you all have to submit all your debit, credit cards and the money to me. One basic thing is that no laptop and no mobile phones, no connection to your working life during the entire challenge. So please hand over your mobiles to me.
There will be very little rest on the way, so be prepared for it. You cannot pay bribes anywhere, okay?
You have to accumulate as many points as you can along the way. The overall number of points that is going to decide the fate of this race and whether we are going to find Logistics Maharathis.
Okay, Logistics Maharathi. Okay.
Logistics Maharathis, yes. We have your bags here. Please pick up your bags. You have nothing on you right now. You have handed your cash to me.
Okay,
Your credit and debit cards. Please open your bag. There is a paper with something written on it. Please read it out. This is your destination address.
Here is your first challenge.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Your bags and starter kits are there.
Okay. This is my bag.
All yours.
So I have a challenge with me.
This is the warehouse list.
Just check what is there in your bag.
Have the cash.
Teams, your starting kits are out there. Your time starts now, so all the best.
Thank you.
Ensure safety. नहीं उसमें नहीं मिलेगा.
मिल गया क्लू.
गुड इट. चलो.
और फाइनली सबसे पहले पैसा देखेंगे. 1000 रुपया दिख गया जो हम सर्वाइव करेंगे जिसके ऊपर. और हमारा क्लू.
Now we are going to give our contestants their daily allowance and their first task of the day.
The today's task: all white, all black, all together, back to back.
Consolidated way.
Yes, consolidated warehouse.
Challenges for the team. The challenge is the longest serving CM in India meets the Iron Man, drop 15 from the ring. Who is the longest serving CM in India? It is Jyoti Basu. Jyoti Basu. Meets the Iron Man. Iron Man is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as per my knowledge. Jyoti Warehouse.
15 Jyoti warehouse. 15. असली बाईपास. हाँ. कितना दूर है यहाँ से? कितना दूर है? कम से कम पड़ेगा 20 किलोमीटर. Let's go.
Yeah, cat in Hindi related to mom, and Indian in Hindi related to Ram.
Indian and Hindi related to Ram and both is Bharati. This one here. So we are just moving to the Lucknow Bharati.
नादरगंज किधर है?
नादरगंज.
हाँ, नादरगंज इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया.
वहाँ पे है नहर की तरफ. गाड़ी से जाएंगे ना 15 किलोमीटर. हाँ, तो यहाँ से सीधा रोड कानपुर वाली रोड पहुँच जाएंगे.
इतना किलोमीटर हो गया.
कम से कम 15 किलोमीटर. 14 किलोमीटर.
कितना घंटा होगा इधर से?
इधर का गाड़ी से कम आधे घंटे. गाड़ी में कहाँ दी? रिक्शे से जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
कितना होगा?
अरे 20 रुपया होगा वहाँ.
Team West, clue 1. Every corner is shining bright. Use it regularly and make them light. Every corner is shining bright. Use it regularly. All right.
Team West, you guys are confident that you have the answer?
Yes, we do.
What do you think is the answer?
Bright and light.
Kona
1.
Why do you think Latesh is the Kona warehouse?
Because Kona means corner.
Okay.
And there is a corner written in the clue.
Okay, anything else?
And the
Nothing
light
else.
is the products are light because
Colgate hai and regular. Use it regularly. Yes, this is the right. This is the right
All
answer.
right, so Team West has found its first warehouse. Congratulations. Your time has started 5 minutes back. All the best. You'll be given 1 hour to reach your Kona warehouse.
टैक्सी इसी से पूछेंगे.
भैया हावड़ा जाना है. हम 1 घंटे के पहले पहुंच सकेंगे. बिंदास. चल.
RP Warehouse Compound, 3rd Mile, Sevok Road, Siliguri.
So this is your destination address. This is a GPS device you're going to carry with you at all times. Okay. Yeah. This is going to track you wherever you are. Right. We'll see you in an hour at this address. Okay. All the best, guys. Left. This is full. Oh, Siliguri is going to Siliguri. Siliguri तो जा रहा है भैया. Wait. Stop.
अरे रुको.
आगे कहाँ तक छोड़ सकते हैं?
चेक पोस्ट तक जाता है वो.
कहाँ तक छोड़ सकते हैं आगे? जहाँ. ठीक है, वहाँ छोड़ दीजिएगा प्लीज. थैंक यू. ओके, पूजा सिद्धे. Keep it with you.
Careful. Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Move. Careful.
Run. Right, come.
जाओ भैया एंट्री करा दो. और क्या होता है? Yes.
Team West has made it into the Kona Colgate warehouse in time. Congratulations, Team West.
Thank you.
All right, Team West, having made it in time, I present you with your next clue. Your time begins now. You have 45 minutes to solve the clue.
Bill Gates and Alan Paul meet Mr. Know-It-All, doing his karma since forever. B90 is your destiny. If you are so clever. B90 is the destiny. Bill Gates.
The clue says Bill Gates. If you are so clever. Bill Gates and Alan Paul.
B90 तो वो हो गया रोया कॉलम.
B90 maybe
Is a column or a row?
a column or a row.
Within stock point.
Stock point.
B90 चले. Point.
Sure.
Can be.
No. Doing karma. No. What's the virus in charge name?
Harshit Srivastava.
Harshit. Any other person name Alan Paul or something?
No.
Doing his karma since forever.
कर्मा कौन है? डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ना. कर्मा कोई है? कोई नाम है?
ये डस्टबिन का नंबर ऐसे नहीं होता. ये कॉन्सोनेबल ऐसे है ना. फिर भी लेट्स गो टू द 90 नहीं है. 90 सीधे एफी नंबर ऑल्सो. ओनली 66. या व्हाट इज एसेट नंबर? एसेट नंबर 32. 332.
B90 is the row or bay something.
Or gate or
something.
Correct. How do you link it all together? What are the main things you feel, why some random names are put there?
Bill Gates would be the check on the gate, the entries that we are talking about. Alan Paul would be the inventory that we are somewhere or the other holding. Doing his karma since forever. And this inventory is somewhere in B90.
B90 is a location. Okay.
We're passing the entries.
You just come from Kolkata, right? Gents. So this is the material is gents and invoice number 40, right? Docket number this B90. Let us go to gents.
ये बिल का नंबर क्या है? इनवॉइस नंबर है.
Entry number is 11. तो वहाँ से 11 का पेपर मिल जाएगा.
नंबर ये है, व्हीकल नंबर ये है. ये कहाँ पे रहेगा?
11 number will get it.
You can do it.
B90 मिल गया. Yes. That means हमारा clue बहुत था. Destiny हमारी मिल गई. ये था CPIL. बद्दी का था.
Herbal.
हाँ. Alan Paul, Mr. Know-It-All, हमने पता कर दिया. Finally हमें मिल गया. यानी कि we achieved it.
11 number. हाँ, एक मिनट देखते हैं. 11 नंबर का डॉक्यूमेंट कहाँ है? गेट एंट्री नंबर 11 का डॉक्यूमेंट. जेम्स.
C30 B90 होगा.
Clue मिल नहीं रहा है. I'm trying my best to find out, but it's really very difficult. I'm unable to find out the clue. What's B90? I'm standing in front of B, and what's 90? That I can't find out. What's B90?
एक ही हैंडसेट में इधर ए तो दिख रहा है.
किसके हैं? ये क्या है हमारा?
Here it is. Here it is.
This is our next destination.
Thank you. सामने रखा है.
I think, okay. So the number one clue is that Bill Gates is the founder of the Microsoft. So Microsoft. So we have identified that product which the soft look. So soft is there. Doing his karma since forever. We have contact with the person, Mr. Amit Mistry. He was there in the diesel from long time. So Amit Mistry is the second clue, the second person. B90, your destiny. If you are so clever. So B90, if we see the MRP over here, this is the B block. Enter is this is in the B block, and that is a 90. MRP ends with the 90. So we think the destiny point is here. The soft look 405L 90.
The task is not complete. Do y'all want some extra time to do it? And if you'll complete this task again, then you will get only 70 points. That means.
So you have already lost 30 points.
Yes. Whether you'll complete this task or not, 30 points will be deducted.
I think let it go. Let's send it.
So Sarandin?
Right.
Okay, fine. Give me, I'll tell you all. Here, Bill Gates means the gate register. You all have, gate register is know-it-all. He knows what comes in, what goes out.
Okay.
Right? And it is doing his karma since forever. Gate register has been there forever. Now B90, you all have to find the entry over there, B90 of yesterday's transaction. Now search for it.
Let's go. Yeah, the gate register, gate inward register. Right. You get it the 90, B90. Check. B90. 3604 कोलगेट हर्बल वहाँ
कहाँ पे? अपने को ये बैग ढूंढना है 21 B1 0902 830 है.
हेमांगी मिला?
अब हो गया. फाइनली हमें मिल गया ये
902.
Nitish we won.
For this 3.
नहीं वो लोग गैस नेक्स्ट वाला
से चालू है. एक क्या रहेगा?
ओके मतलब होगा.
मतलब भाई पे गैस ढूंढने के लिए देखना पड़ेगा. तो वो पूरा मटेरियल कौन मिलेगा तो
Got it.
I got it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
This
this
is
is
set
the
of-
documents that we searched for.
Okay.
Amongst them, these are all the SKUs that I've come across. One by one, we had split our work and then we were searching for all the SKUs that were around with the help